How to recover end-to-end encrypted data in Messenger. Now, I'm currently using my laptop, but it actually works the same if you use your mobile device. So let's just head to messenger.com. From here, click on your profile picture, then go to privacy and safety, and click on end-to-end encrypted chats, and then go ahead to message storage. From here, click download secure storage data, and you will be redirected to another page. Click download the file and enter your password. Now you can start downloading your data in secure storage now and click download. Now once requesting file is completed, it's gonna be via a notepad or a PDF text file that you will receive. So that's how you recover end-to-end encrypted chat on Messenger.